Hello dancers and welcome to a new season with me, Daniel Waters. Over the next few weeks, we're going to learn about hip hop. From the history of hip hop, some basic moves, iconic choreography. We are going to touch on so many topics and you're going to become so knowledgeable. I'm so excited and so happy that you decided to join me in this journey. I'm gonna be uploading videos every single week, but we also have in-person classes. So if you sign up for the in-person class, it's very important that you come to class every single week because every day is gonna be different and we're gonna be building on things from the previous weeks. So if you're here, every single week is gonna be a lot easier. If you cannot make it, or if you are joining me fully online because you decided to take a risk and just type in your computer how to dance hip hop or history of hip hop, things like that, thank you. Thank you so much for trusting this process. Online is going to be so great for you. I'm going to be uploading videos every single week so you can keep track of that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video as well. In the next video, I'm going to show you a warm-up that we're going to do every single class. That way your body can get used to it and you can become better at moving around. I'm also going to show you a cool down so you can relax after class. Make sure you don't get too tired, too many cramps the next day. And after that, we're going to start talking a little about the history. I'm going to teach you some basic moves, and then you're going to learn the choreo that you can practice at home, show your friends, put on your social media. It's going to be a great experience. So one more time, thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.